What if I told you that the secret to changing your financial life starts with getting angry? Not destructive anger, but the kind of anger that says, I am done being broke. I am done working for paychecks that can't cover my bills. I am tired of watching others live the life that I want. Before we dive in, if this is your first time seeing this channel, then you are welcome. Take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon and activate all notifications so you don't miss a thing. You know the best things in life are for free, and subscribing to this channel is free. Your support is highly appreciated as we grow together. Thank you. Let's continue. A young boy met up with the father of his best friend, who is a successful businessman, to teach him the skills of making money. The rich man, seeing his passion, offered him a job in one of his grocery shops. For 30 cents, he is to work 3 hours each day, taking canned goods off the shelves and with a feather duster, brushing each can to get the dust off and then restacking them neatly. It was an excruciatingly boring work, and the problem is that the store has no air conditioning, so the doors of the shop were always left open because of the heat. So every time a car drove into the parking lot, dust would swirl and settle in the store, hence there was no resting on the job. By the fourth week, the young boy was angry with the job and was ready to quit and told his best friend of his planned decision. His friend, the son of the rich man, only smiled and told him his father was already anticipating that, and told him to tell him that any time he decides to quit, he should meet up with him. The young boy met up with the rich man, and after a long period of discussion, the rich man convinced the young boy to now work without pay, not even the initial 30 cents he was getting, and he gladly accepted because of the lessons he learned that day from the rich man. One of the lessons he learned that day was getting angry, which he already displayed, but the other lessons that made him now accept to work without pay are lessons for another video, so put on your notification bell so you don't miss it. When you have come to the realization that your paycheck cannot cover all your bills and you feel you are working so hard for just so little, then my friend, you need to get angry. Yes, you heard me right. Get angry. Let anger push you into action. Use it to break out of comfort. Don't suppress it. Channel it. Most people waste their anger complaining instead of creating, forgetting that life pushes all of us around. Some give up and others get angry and push back, but they rather push back against their boss or their job or their husband or wife. They do not know that it is life pushing, so they spend their life blaming a job, low pay, or their boss for their problems. They will live life hoping for that break that will solve all their money problems. For those who don't get angry, with no guts, you just give up every time life pushes you. If you are that kind of person, you will live all your life playing it safe, doing the right things, saving yourself for some event that never happens. Then you die a boring old man. You will have lots of friends who really like you because you were such a nice, hard-working guy. You spent a life playing it safe, doing the right things, but the truth is you let life push you into submission. But here is the real enemy: fear. Fear will tell you, you are not ready. You might fail. What will people say? My friend, you need to overcome your fears. Fear, as we know, is an emotional response to a perceived threat or danger. It's your mind and body's way of protecting you by preparing you to either fight, flee, or freeze. As a hardworking man, you really wanted to win, but the fear of losing was greater than the excitement of winning. Deep down, you were terrified of taking risks. You, and only you, will know you didn't go for it. You chose to play it safe, and you will spend the best years of your life working for money, not really understanding what it is you are working for. It is fear that keeps most people working at a job. The fear of not paying their bills, the fear of being fired, the fear of not having enough money, the fear of starting over. They lack the passion, the fire, the anger, and burning desire to learn how to make money work for them. When it comes to money, most people want to play it safe and feel secure, so passion does not direct them, fear does. But remember, fear isn't the problem, obeying it is. Every wealthy person you admire felt fear, but they moved anyway. Fear is a test. Pass it, and life rewards you. Fail it, and life repeats the same lesson. And here is where most people lose. They wait. They overthink. They analyze until the moment is gone. They are not able to make that quick decision. The ability to make quick decisions at the sight of rare opportunities and knowing when to make quick decisions is an important skill. Opportunities come and go, so if you can't make up your mind decisively, you will lose out on great opportunities, then you will never learn to make money. In a fast-moving environment like ours, an imperfect action is often better than a perfect delay. Quick decisions let you Text ideas faster, learn from small failures, and stay ahead of slow movers. It gives you a first mover advantage because being early often means lower cost, more exposure, and less competition. For example, those who quickly started selling trending products on TikTok or Amazon made millions before the market became saturated. You also need to know that momentum builds wealth. Making quick decisions builds confidence and creates momentum. Each small win leads to bigger risks taken with clarity, more income streams activated, and stronger instinct over time. The world doesn't reward the smartest, it rewards the fastest. Wealth shows up for those who can say, I will figure it out on the way. I may not know everything, but I am in. One thing you need to understand is this: quick decision doesn't mean being reckless when it is paired with preparedness, when you have done the research beforehand, clear goals when you know your limits, and gut plus logic when you are not gambling, only acting fast on. So if you want to make real money, then stop sleeping on your potential, get angry enough to change, get bold enough to ignore fear, and get fast enough to act before the moment passes. This is the best money advice you will hear today. Now, the question is, what are you going to do with it? If this video inspires you, let me know in the comment section. Also, like and subscribe to this channel for more unfiltered truths. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.